How to delete all social and promotion emails from Gmail. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail, then log into your account. Then you'll find 3 lines on top left corner of your screen. Click on the 3 lines. After clicking on 3 lines, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Social. To delete, hold on to one email and then click on Select All. Then click on Delete. As you can see, it has been deleted. You can again select all and delete. Delete until all the emails are deleted. Again, then go to Promotion. Do the same thing with Promotion. Select one and select all and delete. As you can see, all the emails have been deleted from Gmail. And that's how you delete all social and promotion emails from Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.